A winter worry coming over parts of central New Jersey. As Piscataway Mayor Brian Wahler told PIX11 News early Thursday morning, the township is contending with a shortage of rock salt.
Normally, this barn, fully capacity at 4,500 tons, should get us through most of the season, but because we've had a lot of nuisance storms over the last month or two, it's created that we've had to use more material than necessary.
In lieu of rock salt, the township says it can turn to using liquid calcium chloride, a material that is effective but costly.
We're not the only town that's having this problem.
A little further south, Mercer County says it has also seen an atypical disruption to its salt supply and is gathering info from local towns to assess the situation. Despite that, the county says their team is confident they have enough stockpiled to last them through this coming storm. But DPW yards aren't the only places dealing with a shortage.
As far as rock salt, that's almost impossible to get right now.
Costello's Ace Hardware in Warren Township was completely out of salt Thursday afternoon.
With the amount that we're supposed to be getting, everybody is looking for anything that they can use to clear the snow tomorrow.
Store managing partner Dawn Thomas says they have been getting calls from customers as far as Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, asking if they have salt in stock.
We've been reaching out to anyone and everyone that we can source from to try and keep the community stocked and keep everybody safe.
I like to go to the convenience of a local place before going to a big box store, but I will go to Home Depot to see if I can find the salt because they're out of stock at the moment.
Karen Kane from Martinsville, on the hunt for salt, says if Home Depot doesn't have it,
then I'm out of luck. I'm out of luck. Eventually I'll find some or borrow some from a neighbor.
Thomas says her store hopes to have some sort of ice melt material in stock before Friday. For PIX11 News, I'm Jim Vassell.